Earth's changing surface assessment. Directions. Answer each multiple choice question. After you have selected your answer, explain why you chose your answer on the lines provided below. Number 1. Some students completed an indoor project that required the use of large amounts of planting soil. The soil is in good condition and was used by the students to grow bean plants. Which of the following is the best way to recycle the soil? A. Pouring it into an empty planter. B. Sealing it in a container. C. Placing it in an outdoor garden. D. Washing it down the sink. Number 2. From which type of soil is it easiest for plant roots to absorb water and nutrients? F. Clay. G. Beach sand. H. Sandy loam. J. Silt. Number 3. Students visit an island. The island beach is covered with many small pebbles. Each one is a little bigger than a pea. The beach gets strong ocean waves. After thousands of years, the pebbles on the beach will most likely be A. Broken down into smaller pieces. B. Pushed into a pile in the middle of the island. C. Larger and a different color. D. Pressed together to form one large rock. Number 4. The above picture shows a beach as it was 50 years ago and how it looks today. Which process most likely caused the changes? F. Floods caused by rainfall carried sand over the rocks. G. Ocean waves are washing sand onto the beach. H. Warm ocean water melted the rocks on the beach. J. Weathering is breaking the rocks into smaller pieces. Number 5. Weathering is one way Earth's surface is changed. Which of the following is not a form of weathering? A. Rocks rubbing against each other. B. Ice grinding rocks. C. Soil or dirt moved by floods. D. Wind blowing bits of sand into rock. Number 6. An area of rainforest is burned down. Farmers plant crops on the land. After a few years, crops no longer grow well on the land and the farmers leave. A scientist comes to study the soil. The scientist finds that the soil is very poor in nutrients. The soil does not absorb water well. Which of the following makes up most of this soil? Clay, F. Clay. G. Sand. H. Coarse rocks. J. Crushed leaves. Number 7. This sea arch is a natural land formation found on a beach in Aruba. Aruba is an island in the Atlantic Ocean north of South America. What is responsible for shaping this formation? A. Earthquakes. B. Volcanic activity. C. Erosion. D. Rock slide. Number 8. Soil erosion happens when soil is carried away by wind or water. Which of the following is a good way for a farmer to keep wind from eroding the soil in a field? F. Spraying the field with chemicals. G. Plowing the plants in the field under. H. Removing weeds growing around the crops. J. Planting trees along the edge of the field. Number 9. Which picture shows the best example of erosion? A. Mountain stream. B. Desert. C. Forest. D. Lake. Number 10. A group of students carried out the experiment shown above. Which question did the students most likely try to answer? This label says sand, and this label says clay. A. Which soil has the most nutrients? B. Which soil grows the tallest? C. Which soil holds the most water? D. Which soil has the most minerals? Number 11. The diagram above shows the structure of soil. The thickness and the position of layers are shown. Describe 2 soil characteristics from the diagram above.